Hi, in this video, let's see how we can write the comments in the code. So let's go into our Colab and let's see how we can write this one. So we will write a simple function, simple program, and then we will see like how we can write the comments over here. So as like we have already seen, I'm creating a file over here. So I'm keeping the name as like hello.cpp, and we have to import the libraries. So I'm going to this one, and it's like input output stream. So these are like the body and the head tail of the C++. For any program, these are like the mandatory necessity ones, and I'm going to return 0 over here. So now let's print couple of lines over here. So we all knew how to print now, so standard C output. And I would like to like I'm from India, and I would like to had this new line at the end of every statement. And also I would like to print something like I work as a data scientist. And for this as well, to make it as a consistency, I would like to add in a new line. So I would like to execute this one. So it's very easy. Like, I mean, all we have to do is that we have to practice and practice as much as you can. So let's run both of these. Okay, I haven't run the first one. Let's run the second one. Okay, no. Okay, just write file, include stream input, standard C out. I'm from India. I'm from India. Oh, sorry, there is a spelling mistake over here. Okay, perfect. So here we have successfully executed the lines over here. And for, I mean, as of now, you and me, we both knew that what exactly this code is for. But let's say in the real time, if you are like writing like some 100 lines of a program, and if you would like, I mean, if and you have to ensure that someone could able to read your program very nicely. So that's the reason we have to pass the comments all the time. So there are like two options on how we can pass the comments. The first one is a single line comments, and the second one is a multi-line comments. In the single line comments, so you can pass, you can use these special symbols slash, and you can mention like this program describes about the coder. Okay, so this is fine, and when I execute this one, this will be like totally fine. There will be like no errors, and this is like a readable. Okay, okay, now what, I mean, when I look at this one and like, okay, this program describes about the coder, like who is the coder and all. And sometimes you might have to write multiple line of statements. For that you can use this one as well. So this is my favorite in terms of making the big comments. um, this below code describes about the coder and the coder designation. So, I mean, you can write as many lines as you can, and whenever you execute, the by default the compiler, it excludes, it never reads the one which is written under these comments, and always executes the one which is outside of these comments, and it executes perfectly well. So in the ideal world, I recommend everyone to use the comments most effectively as much as you can, so which will help the entire program world to be like more understanding and more easier. Thank you for watching.